So we're going to take the opportunity to pick your top 5 that you need to understand more. All right. So look at the pictures or the list that Whitney made for us, and what are your top 5 that you really are like, oh, I need to study those 5 to understand? Okay, so
Only got 2.
listen up. Let's read through them real quick. Then maybe it'll go, oh yeah, I really don't know what that means. The first one, ambush. How about say it after me? Ambush.
Ambush.
Complicated.
Complicated.
Hesitate.
Hesitate.
Ponder.
Ponder.
Peril.
Peril.
Setting.
Setting.
Character.
Character.
Theme.
Theme. Sight.
Sight.
Grenade.
Sight.
I can't see these.
Sight.
Sight.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sight.
Sight.
Grenade.
Grenade.
Reality.
Reality.
Repellent.
Repellent.
Certainly.
Certainly.
Gate.
Gate.
Inscribe.
Inscribe.
Amid.
Amid.
In peril. Or here. Sorry.
Here.
Here. Peril is last workshop. No, it's not. It's this workshop. Okay. So out of those 18, think about what are your 5 that you really need to like totally understand a little bit better. Okay? Here's what we're gonna do. Desmond, will you? No, never mind, it's okay. I was gonna say turn the light off. Alright, so you're gonna pick 5 that we already talked about, okay? You're gonna pick 5 that you need to understand better for the test on Friday. Okay? And you're going to choose one of these things. So let me go through them. Find video clips that symbolize the words. All right? So if we talk about symbolize, could someone tell me what that means? We've talked about it several times last couple weeks. Zach?
Something that like means it.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Good. Anyone else say it differently? We talked about the American flag symbolizing a lot of things for our country, right? Okay, so you're going to find short video clips, you could, that represent that word, okay? That could be one of your choices. Another one is to use the clay, which we rated my kids' Play-Doh, and to represent 5 words.
How would you do that?
Good question. You're going to form the clay to look like that word. So let's say, obviously, sight. Let's see if we did sight. You could make a, nope, because it's not that word. A campsite.
A tree. Oh.
Hey guys. You can make a campsite, so make a tent or a camper or something like that to represent sight. Remember, sight is a place where something happens. It's a place. Okay, so you could use that if you're interested in that. The other one is to make a memory game out of these words. So you would take 10 squares of paper, take a sheet of paper, fold it so there's 10 squares. Cut up the 10 squares. On 5, you're going to put the 5 vocab words on one square, put the definitions on the other. And then how many people have played memory when you were a kid? Right? Yeah. It's just like that. You're going to flip them all over and look for them, what matches that definition. You could, if you don't want to write the definition, you could draw a picture. Or you could do both. Whatever works for you. Okay? Use 5 words in a story. All right, so if you're into writing things out, you could use the 5 words, make up a story. All right, hold on. Or you could just draw or find pictures that represent those words. Okay? That's what we're talking about. Okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options on what you can spend the rest of our time together doing. How about Anybody? Zach?
So we only have to choose one?
Choose one of these activities for 5 words. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Anybody else? Here's on. All 5 of the words. Oh yeah, no, good question. Good question. She said, do we have to do all of them today? Like, are we doing rotations? No, you're gonna get all 5 words done today, and you're gonna pick one of these activities to do. That's it. One activity for 5 words. Amber, what's your question?
What if you have less than 5 words?
Okay, that's another good question. That's another good question. Then you could pick words that you know, but you're going to represent. You need 5 words. Okay, anybody else? Those are good questions. Here's up.
What if you don't have any words that you don't know?
Then you're going to pick 5 words. Still good practice, right? Okay. Anybody else?
Wait, can we finish on this if we never finish? If we didn't get through it?
Say it one more time.
If we didn't get done with our worksheet, like on the words, can we do that as activity also?
If you got your 5 words done with this activity, you may do the other things that are due for tomorrow. Okay, does that make sense? The other things that are due tomorrow are your night reading packet is due tomorrow. The vocab picture definition thing, reading log is due tomorrow. And then this paragraph, if that's not written out, rough draft form, okay? So if for some reason you got this activity done, yes, please work on one of those other things. Okay? All good questions. Okay. How am I going to know that you did this? Right?
Because he's gonna come around and look.
I am going to come around and look.
And she's got the video
Okay.
camera on.
Right. I am videoing it to proof. But I need to see them. We need to have a discussion about those words because I want to see, do you really know what those words mean? Okay? Tears off. I can't hear you. Right. Yeah, if you choose the video thing, you are going to keep a list. So you'll open up YouTube or whatever, and then you'll open up Microsoft Word, and you're going to copy and paste the YouTube address to that. All right, you're going to write the word like it's inscribed, and then you're going to paste the YouTube address to that, and then you'll email it to me. Okay. All right. Okay. Any other questions? All these supplies that you would need would be here. All right. First thing to do is pick 5 words. On your mark, get set, go.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, good question. You may listen to music if you would like.
I saw it. Oh,
Okay, use every minute that I'm giving you. So you know how to do that. So you'll just need a piece of paper. It might be better. Okay. Do you want color?
That's all rubber.
Oh, good. You gonna write a story?
Oh my God.
Does the story have to make sense?
Yeah.
Like it has to go like it has to.
I want you to do that by your own space. Okay.
Like if I was to say the mother is
It's got to have a. You can use that sentence, but it's got to think about a story. Think about the story in English. What's a story that have these words in it? Okay. It could be about the big brother, the middle brother. It's going to be more than 5 sentences. Do you know what I mean? You're going to have to write a story and work these words into it. Does it have to be a true story? No. Because that would be hard. No, I don't have any emotions. like to use.
Okay, I'm doing the flashcards.
Know how I'm cutting them all up? Well, I'm just saying, are you gonna have extra ones? Yeah. Cause you'll have, cause you can get 8, 6, 8, and then you have to pull them because my share resources.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm about to go like this. I got 8 already, so I'm gonna shift it.
All right, what do you guys want?
Do you want to like, yeah.
Do the picture one? Okay, so what? So I would do. Divide this up.
But wait, I asked you where's the difficult? I don't know what.
No, it doesn't work.
Oh, I was gonna make one for characters.
You can do that. No, you can do that. Remember, try to pick the words that are different. Well, I see what you're saying. That you need to learn a little more before you take that vocab test.
Yeah.
Or ambush, is that all done?
I'm good.
Hey guys, make sure this, if you're picking the video one, it is gonna, you need to work efficiently, okay? Because this one would take you the most time, and I'm okay with that, but you only have so much time to get it done, okay?
There's some funny,
Which one are you doing?
funny ones.
Are you logged into your drive?
Pass.
Yeah. If you log into your Google Drive,
Miss
you
Jen.
can open up a Word doc. You can open up a Word document there. It's easiest to share it
How
with
do
me.
you,
Like,
how do you make
hey,
it?
watch the video. What makes sense to you? What?
The flashcard. I'm making my spit.
Which example?
I need another piece of
You
So
get
like
five
this?
words, but which
That would
example
be,
you follow there?
yeah, that'd be okay. Or you can fold it another time and make this any like tier list. Well, not extreme listening, but weird.
So out of
Miss J.
video clips, draw pictures or print pictures.
Give me my phone.
Which one? I mean, if you're at the computer, you're probably doing one of those ones, right? Which one? Are you finding pictures? Draw 'em? What are you gonna draw 'em on?
Sorry,
I told you one of my faces.
What does it represent? Good, very good.
Miss J.
Okay.
I created one word.
Yeah. What?
I created one word.
Oh, I like that you're
It's a-
drawing in the
It's a
clay.
restroom. I tried to do it. So, yeah, I like a pit stop.
I like that, good. Hey guys, Scott just did something very interesting that I didn't
Swag.
think of.
Swag.
So if you're choosing to do the clay and you don't want to make something out of the clay, Scott flattened it out and drew the word sight, his symbol for sight in it. You could do that too. Nice job.
I never really do that now, but I really have to take it.
It's okay. You can do, I mean, you can change. If that makes more sense, do change.
You're out there, right? Just for you.
Dang, is your music loud enough?
Nope.
Rachel, what one are you doing? Hey, Scott. Hey.
Look at it. You don't like to scoop off.
It's a mixture.
All right, so which one is that?
Sorry, but there's like 2 plates. There's a basket.
So what is sight?
Like somewhere where you are.
Yeah, a place. So what is a pigment? Nice job. Good. If you're doing the play or the clay one, make sure you show me those before you move on. Okay?